New phone means new screen protector, so I got the Spigen GlasTR EZ Fit once more, and I've been using it for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 I think about 8 months ago, and I absolutely love how the installation process went, and the quality of this screen protector is really good as well, so might as well buy back the same thing, right? So for this year, Spigen decided to include a 2-pack instead of a 1-pack like last year. So the installation process should be the same, all of the specs should be the same as well. The reason why I get this is because of the EZ Fit. This piece of plastic here will help you align it easily. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. The packaging is real simple. That's it. So installation manual. Yeah, this is pretty simple. So you see, they just tell you to, yeah, do all of this stuff, and thank you for choosing Spigen. Actually, Spigen stuff is really nice, so I don't mind supporting them. So inside the accessories package, we also have a squeegee, which is real nice. How to remove bubbles. They just tell you to use the squeegee. And then dust removal stickers. We got 2 sets of them, one big piece of microfiber cloth, and then 2 of these lens wipes because we need to clean the dust anyway. And the 2-pack means, of course, 2 screen protectors. Yeah, real nice quality. So how you install this is real simple. After you clean the glass, you can see once you put it on, everything is aligned properly, perfectly for you, so you just stick it on the phone. That's simple. So let me just clean the glass right now. They really give you a big piece of lens cleaner. Yeah, you can cover the entire phone with it. Nice. So after wiping the glass, we have to use this dust removal sticker, which is this big piece here, and then just stick all around the screen and remove the dust. It's that simple. Remember to do this because it's very important. Okay, that's clean, I think. Need to double check. And now what we're gonna do is to pull off the back film, then immediately put it on top. Then you need to slide back and forth. Then you can see it is adhering to the phone itself. They tell us to wait for 30 seconds, so might as well. And after 30 seconds, what we have to do is to peel off this big piece of sticker. You have to be careful. It will lift the screen protector a little bit if you're not careful enough, so just hold it down. And there we go, we can lift this up. And then use the squeegee to scrape everything out. Okay, and then we still got one more piece of plastic in front. Rip it out. There we go, installation complete. That's it. It's that simple. This one feels really nice. As good as the Z Fold 4's screen protector because it's the same thing anyway. And I really do like the Spigen Glass EZ Fit glass fitter. I don't know what's it called, but yeah, the name is a bit strange, but the product quality, real nice. I'll leave links down in the description below. So check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.